In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add videos to Kajabi course. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go in Kajabi, which upload method to choose, and what to expect while your video processes so it's ready for your students. Start by signing in to your Kajabi dashboard. From the left-hand menu, open Products, then go to Products, sometimes labeled Courses, and select the specific course or product where you want your video to live. This opens the course outline, the structured list of your lessons and modules, so you can place the video exactly where it belongs. Inside the outline, click the lesson you want to update. If you don't have one yet, create a new lesson so you have a dedicated spot for the video. Once you're in the lesson editor, look for the media type selector and choose Video. This tells Kajabi you're adding a video block rather than text or another media type, so it can handle the upload and playback correctly. Next, choose your video source. If the file is on your computer, click Select New File or simply drag and drop the video into the upload area. This is usually the fastest path, and common formats like MP4 are ideal. If your file is stored in the cloud, choose Dropbox or Google Drive. You'll be prompted to connect your account the first time. After that, you can browse your cloud folders and pick the video you want. If you're using a direct file URL, choose the link or URL option and paste the link. Make sure this is a direct link to the file itself, typically ending in .mp4, and not a YouTube or Vimeo page. If clicking the link opens a web page rather than downloading or streaming the raw file, it's not a direct file link. After you select or upload the file, Kajabi hands it off to its video hosting partner, Wistia, to encode. You'll see a processing indicator while this happens. The time can vary depending on your file size and the encoding queue. Larger, high-resolution videos will naturally take longer. Keep the tab open until processing reaches 100% so everything completes smoothly. Once the encoding finishes, you'll see a video thumbnail and a playable preview in the lesson editor. That's your confirmation the video has been successfully added to the lesson you selected. As a best practice, use clear file names and keep your master files organized so it's easy to find and maintain your content over time. That's the full process for adding videos to your Kajabi course. Select the course, choose the lesson, pick video, upload from your preferred source, and let Wistia encode. You're all set.